Hey guys, today I'm gonna solve another problem. I'm gonna try to make this into a series. Let's call it Whiteboard Friday. Whiteboard Friday. So I want to change it up a little bit. I want to just solve the problem beforehand, because the videos that I've done before, I noticed that it just takes me forever, like to actually look at the problem and not solve the problem before, like just like have it done already. Because like in the board. Because like the other problems that I've done, I usually like just I'm copying it from what I solved before, but like sometimes I forget what I did. So I'm just gonna like lay it all down into the board already. So hopefully you like this more. So this is the problem we have. Oh my god, reflection. Well, we have a brace. You can see the drawing here. Oh. So you have a brace with a 45 angle degree, and you have some wind load coming into it. Let me see. Let me stand up. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Let me lower the like there you go. That's probably better. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So you have this brace with a 45 degree brace coming into, and you have a wind load coming into it. And what we're gonna try to calculate, we're gonna calculate the brace axial force. Now, the brace is placed at 8 feet of center, and when the wind load we have is 20 psf coming into this column. The height of this column is 12 feet. We're basically assuming we have a wall. Like, well, no, this is not a column, this is a wall. So we have a wall. Now the height of our brace is 5 feet. So let's go through it. This is the drawing. Then we're gonna do a Freebody diagram. So I assign this as point A, this as force B, and your wind force. After that, we're gonna calculate the wind force based on our spacing and our height. We're going to convert it from a PSF into a point load. So now we have this here. I mean, this is a little dark too. Let me see. It's better. Hopefully, yes. That's the point. So we have this wind force, and we have our 20 PSF, and we're multiplying them by the spacing 8 feet of center, and by the height is 12 feet. And we're converting it into 1,120 pounds. It's a P pounds. I don't know. It's LB. Well, basically, I'm lazy, so I convert it into just 2 kips, you know, because whatever. After that, we're gonna calculate our moments at point A. Let's go back. For point A, we're gonna calculate the moments based on the height that we got, 12 feet and 5 feet. So here's my calculation of moments. Well, your wind force, that is equal to 2 kips. You're gonna multiply it by the height. And because this point load is acting on the middle, you're calculating a summation of moments, so you're going 6 feet down. Then you have your force B, that's what you're looking for. This is your actual force going into the brace. You're gonna multiply it by cosine of 45, because sine is this one, cosine is going this one. Let me go into this. You're basically dividing this force into an x and a y vector. All right. So you multiply it by cosine of 45, because that's gonna give you your x load, and you're gonna multiply it by the height where the brace, because you're calculating moments around point A, right? So 5 feet, and then you're just solving for FB. All right. So your FB is gonna be equal to 4K divided by, this is the calculation of cosine 45 times 5, 2.625, and your actual load into your brace is going to be 1.5 to 2 kips, right? So this is the problem. Hope you like it more like this. I think it's a little more convenient. I can just go over it and don't have to be slowing down for writing it down. I need to make this more professional. Maybe get like my own board or something like that, or maybe just try to do it online. But it's a pain in the ass. Yes. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any videos of problems that you want to send me, you can send them to me and I will post them on my channel. If you have any problem with understanding a concept or something like that, let me know in the comments and I will solve it, or try to solve it. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, like, and see you next time, guys. Have a good one.